Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today I'm going to use slow English to tell you a typical Irish story. So, have any of you heard of the Giant's Causeway? The Giant's Causeway is a really famous tourist destination on the north coast of Ireland, and it comes with a story. So a long time ago in Ireland, there lived a giant whose name was Finn McCool. Finn McCool lived on the north coast of Ireland, where now you can find the Giant's Causeway. And he was very fierce and very strong. And one day he saw another giant. This giant was in Scotland, across the sea in Scotland. And this other giant saw Finn. And this other giant shouted a challenge to Finn. Come and fight me. And Finn was strong and brave and fierce, and he said, okay, I'll come and fight you. So he built a path, a causeway, all across the sea using the stones that he found. And he built this all day and all night until he reached Scotland. But when he arrived in Scotland and he looked over the hill and saw the other giant, he realized this giant is much bigger than I am. And he was afraid and he ran home. Luckily, his wife was a clever giantess and she understood the problem. So she said, okay, Finn, you're going to get in the baby's cradle. So Finn got into the baby's cradle and he put on the hat and he pretended to be the baby. And when the other giant came looking for him, his wife Una said, no, Finn isn't here, but his son is here. His baby is here. You want to see his baby? And when the other giant saw the baby, he thought, if the baby is this size, how big is the father? So he ran home terrified and he broke the path behind him. So there was no possibility of being chased again. If you go to the Giant's Causeway on the north coast of Ireland, you will still find the stones that the giant used for his causeway. And if you go to a place off the Scottish coast, you will find the same stones. Just proof that giants once walked in Ireland and Scotland, and proof that this story is more than a story. Some questions to check your comprehension. Where did Finn McCool live? Where did Finn McCool live? Number 2. Why did he decide not to fight the other giant? Why did he decide not to fight the other giant? And the third question, the last question, what did Finn pretend to be to escape from the other giant? What did Finn pretend to be to escape from the other giant? I'll put the answers in the comments for you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.